How to solve Aztec calendar from True Genius, 2 puzzles in 1. We have these dials, each one of them have numbers, and that's the same on the other side, dials with numbers. The goal is simple. The touching numbers, just say here I have 5 and 7, make 12. The touching numbers add up to the same numbers for every connecting pair. Donc if I have 12 here, 10, I need to find a 2 to have 12. In that case, I don't have it. Alors, the small number is 0 and the highest is 12. Alors, I found that the numbers that we need to find is 12. And we need to start with this dial where I have 4 0. Alors, the dial will be 0, 5, 0, 6, 0, 7, 0, 9. Alors, I have 0 and I need 12. I have only 1. I make 12. Here I have 7, I need 5. I make 12. Here 11, I need 1. Okay, make 12. Here I have 9 and I need 3. And here I have 2, 3. And the 3 that I need is the one between the 5 and the 9. 12. Here I have 5, I need 7. Donc I make 12. Here I have 2, I need 10. Alors, I have 2 10s. I need the first 10. I make 12. Here 4, and I need 8. That's the only 8. Yes, make 12. Here 6. 6 and 6 make 12. 0, 12. And that's the solution for the first puzzle. Alors, for the second puzzle, that's the same goal. We need to find the numbers. Alors, the smaller number is 0 and I have only 1. And highest number is 71. Alors, in this case, I think that the number that we need to find is 42. And I start with this number, 0. And I need 42, and here sample, I have 42. 8. I need to find numbers 34. I have 30, donc I need 12. There is only 12. Here 26. Need the numbers 16. Okay, make 42. 33. I need the number 9. Okay, here. That's 9. Here it's 6. No, do not mismatch the number. Okay, 33 and 9 make 42. I have a 5, donc I need 37. 42, 21, I need 21, 42, 23, and I need the numbers 19, and I make 42. And that's the solution for the second puzzle. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment sections, and until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen.